Okay, hi everyone. So we're here in Mel's playroom. Today we have Superman Big City Hero from Jollibee Kids meal. Okay, Belle really loves this. Okay, so first we have this telephone booth. Very shiny red. Here, do it. Okay, if you open this door, there's Clark Kent. All in his suit. Okay, all of these are closed. And here, we put Superman there. And then you push this button behind this door. Okay, the side of that. Okay, we push that and there's Superman. Okay, his cape actually always falls off. Put it inside his back. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, if you'll remove this top, the telephone booth, here it is. His footprint where you'll put him, but he can't actually stand there. He can't. Oh, we can. Okay, put him inside. Oh. Okay, and then the back side of that, of his toes, this is the button, and then you just push it. Just slide. Yay! There's Superman. Where's Superman? Oh, there he is. Okay, and then that. Okay, push it back. Okay. Oops. Okay, we cover him now. And 1, 2, 3, Superman!
I'm doing it. La 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 la.
Yay!
La 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 la.
Okay, next up we have is this Superman weapon. This is actually very fun. Okay, you just put the point of the S logo, or the Superman logo, there, and then you'll hear a click. Okay. Okay. Okay, you put the point of the Superman logo, and then you push it.
Here's the bunny.
Point it to the point of the Superman logo, and then there, push it. How do you do it? Yeah. Okay, there again. You'll hear that click. Yeah, we got Cinderella. Very nice. Okay, so this actually can put down just like very light things. Wait. Okay, we have a gas, which is very weightless, and a candle.
5.
Number 5, and okay, this sanitizer is just slightly heavy. So we're gonna demonstrate. Okay. Okay, so we'll try this. Slightly heavy. Yeah, okay. It's You got it.
Number 5 cupcake.
Number 5 candle.
Number 5 candle. For happy birthday.
For happy birthday. Okay, so there we have it. Superman. Which has a weird face. It is really cool. Superman weapon, crystals, and the telephone booth. This was just released just this May 2015. Hi, Clarkin. Okay. Bye.